back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe on your way out, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so very much for coming back and checking in on your girl. Today is the day I'm doing DIY zero. I cannot believe it. 2020 is really a weird year because me, DIYs, like, but earlier this DIY, honestly, I'm so excited about because number one, I got exactly what it is I wanted at a price that I felt comfortable with, because I live in Trinidad and Tobago, for those who don't know, and everything is 10 times the price as what you could get in the States, right? Now, the thing that I'm talking about is the floral arrangement in the back there that I did make, right? And it cost me a fraction of the price of what I would have to pay to get something like that, and it wouldn't be the exact thing. Now, I have checked on the Dwellings website. They have one that's really pretty. It's not as big as that, but it is very expensive. It retailed at $1,800, and I think they have it on sale for $1,140 TT, which, well, yeah, sorry, as much as I love to buy things and shop, I'm not spending that kind of money on that. I'm sorry. No. That is, you know, a paid vacation somewhere. I'm sorry. That's ridiculous. But this here, I basically spent a total of $695 TT for everything. And when I say everything, the materials, which is everything you see here, the flowers, the leaves, the moss, and the vase, and to clear it with customs, because I did end up buying the stuff, mostly stuff except for the vase, online, because I couldn't find anywhere locally that had all the stuff I wanted. So I was like, you know what, I ended up on Micheals website. They had 20% off the website, and they also have cash back with Rakuten, and you know your girl is a cash back queen, so she just went ahead and just swooped up everything, and it's basically half the price of what I would have paid for this if I paid for the entire thing down here. So if you're interested in learning how I created that floral arrangement, stay tuned. But so in case anybody's wondering, this is my Micheals order. I spent a little over 50 US for all the supplies that you're about to see in this box, and cost me $119.47 to clear it. There was no government tax, OTP, or anything like that charged to this box, because it was listed as crafting. And just so you know, government does not charge taxes on raw materials that you're gonna make something off of. So yeah, to me, so far, you know, are winning in terms of how much money I've spent thus far. I just let open the box because it's a lot. Of course, you know, when I saw the size of the packaging, I was like, oh Lord. So let me just take out all the packing bubbles and whatnot, and let's get to the materials. So I got quite a bit of stuff. I got floral foam, that's what they call it. We call it Oasis. We use this for flowers. So we have floral foam here. We got moss. Oh, this is nice. We got moss to cover the base. We got more moss, but this is a pretty kind. I'll make sure to leave the links for everything in the description box below. That's my cat there, monkeying, you know. And Micheals right now has a 20% off sale. They've had it for the longest while. So these are like the leaves here. And let's see what else. Floral pins. because we need to, you know, pin this up. And of course, okay, the flowers. Now, a lot of you guys were telling me to check certain places. I did go to a couple of them. However, the flowers I saw didn't look as nice as these. These look really nice. I got four or five branches, you know. So this is all the materials here. So I have the flowers, I have the moss to cover the base, and different. I have the styrofoam, the floral styrofoam. I have leaves to go with it, and I also have floral pins or greening pins to hold everything in place. And I got everything from Micheals. So I will leave a link for all the stuff below if you want to buy it, because again, I didn't have to pay any online tax for those living in Trinidad and Tobago, you know. So let's get creating. I think the most singular expensive item was this bowl that I purchased from, this is not it, that's something else. This bowl that I got from the home store in Barataria. I paid, how much I paid? $209.95, so 210 TT dollars. But it's a really nice size bowl for what it is I'm looking at doing. And I mean, it's my favorite color, purple. They only had these. I was looking for others, but maybe you could find you know, others. Forgive the noise, that's my unruly cat down there. And the next thing I want to do is to repaint this vanity, so I'll definitely take you all through that that process. And of course, I have some bamboo stakes that I cut. Where I live, there's a lot of bamboo around, and the guys from the city corporation basically left a bunch of these. So I'm like, you know what, let me make use of it. It's free 99, and I'm gonna use these to kind of like use as a stake to hold up the flowers. So what I'm gonna do here now is just cut the price tags off of the flowers. And now we have floral foam here. We have a lot of floral foam. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and fill this entire basin with the foam. Obviously the blocks might be a little too long to fill it, so that's okay if it is. Just cut it according to how you need it. So I'm going to use some floral pins because I want it to not move, right? And I think the floral pins will help. In case you're wondering what they look like, this is what they look like. So I'm just gonna hold down each segment together. This would hold everything firmly. So what I'm going to do now is, these are the floral arrangements. Flowers, they're really long, so I'm going to like stick them in and bend it. So I'm going to see what else I have that I can tie these with, you know. Okay, so this is what the floral arrangement looks like with the sticks. Obviously we cannot leave this floral foam here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put the leaves in, right? Because of course we're trying to make it look as realistic as possible. So I'm gonna put one here, and I'm gonna put another one here. You know, hopefully you guys can see that. And the last one I'm gonna put on this end. Right? Got some stuff hanging off. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use this to fill in all the blank spots that you see. Oopsie. Yeah. All the blank spots, and I'm gonna take some floral pins and I'm gonna pin them in place. And I think that is it in terms of the project, you know. Yeah, so simple, right? Real simple to make. So I know hopefully, you know, you feel inspired enough to make it. Even if you don't want to buy the items online, the places I saw with materials like this, so the floral foam, or the oasis as we like to call it, you could get that in Tulips craft store. The floral pins, you could probably get that as well at Tulips. In terms of the floral arrangement itself, the places I've seen that have it, that look this nice, is the home store as well as Dwellings. Now mind you, one of those sprays at Dwellings is like 100 TT, so just know that it will not come out at the same price if you buy most of the stuff locally. You might end up paying a little more, you know, just saying. But hopefully this tutorial inspire you to create something. This is but one of several DIY projects that I am embarking on for the rest of the year. The next one is me rehabilitating my vanity, because Lord knows it has seen better days. So if you want to see me like do a vanity makeover here, let me know in the comment section below and I will get on it. But that is it for this video. So thank you so very much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.